So hello friends, today I'm going to show you really quick how to remove grit out of a camera. So I got this Nikon EM vintage this week. I didn't pay it a lot, but then as you can see it is extremely dirty. Here on the back as well. Well, the back is slightly better, I would say, but then dirty. And then I started testing with the mixture I use for cleaning the grit out of lenses, and then the result seems to be really good. So I'm going to propose you to use that for cameras as well. And then this is what I have. Mixture is extremely simple. I use distilled water and isopropyl alcohol. So and then the ratio is 4 to 5. 4 parts of distilled water and then the rest isopropyl alcohol. And then just let me show you how it works. So I take a toothbrush, and then here you go. It's almost magical. We'll probably do a second pass when it dries, but then the result, as you can see, it is very good. We'll do the back. And here you go. Years of abuse gone in a few seconds. So, and then as I told you, we'll need to do probably a second pass here. We can see a bit of the grit coming back. But okay, I think you got the idea. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching. Okay, clean this properly. And see you next time. Bye.